Hi everyone, this is Satanas with LegalTrek. I'm in our list of invoices to show you some new colors and new invoice statuses we have created. In addition to the well-known not paid, paid and overdue, we've created 3 more invoices statuses. These are draft, final and cancelled. What's the idea behind draft and final? Well, let's say that you don't want to get individual billings approved, but rather you want to create an invoice and they have somebody else mark the invoice as final before it being sent to the client, be it a partner or be it somebody from the billing department. Now, there is an option to do that, and only after marking it final, the invoice can be sent and they mark as paid or not paid. With cancelled, the story is different. Maybe you need to cancel an invoice for one reason or another, which is not going to be paid by a client. You can certainly do this by changing the status as cancelled. Now, every new invoice by default is being created as not paid unless you change that status in the settings. In invoice settings, you would have the option to change the default status of an invoice. So in my case, I've made it so that every new invoice is created as draft and it needs to be put as final before being marked as not paid, sent to the client, etc. Now, there's many ways you can use this functionality, and we're looking forward to you trying it out, maybe approaching us for advice on how to use it and how to wrap it around your billing process. It is based on client feedback, so we do hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.